Hello everyone. Ria had an awesome day at school today. Her teacher made learning fun and so meaningful for the class by connecting concepts with everyday life. This is what exactly happened. After having lunch, Ria started playing with her friends on the school ground. While running to catch hold of one of her friends, she saw a glittering chain lying along with the stones in one corner of the ground. She picked it up and handed it over to her teacher. Out of curiosity, she asked her teacher what this chain is made up of. Teacher smiled and said that this chain is made of gold and is a metal. Her curiosity increased. She asked her teacher why this gold chain has so much shine and not the stones. To this, the teacher replied, all metals have a smooth and shiny appearance like you can see on this gold chain. This property exhibited by metals is called luster. All metals are lustrous in nature, whereas non-metals are non-lustrous in nature. That is the reason you don't see the shiny appearance on non-metals like stone, plastic and wood. Then the teacher asked all the students whether they knew why the goldsmith is able to turn gold metal into a chain. No one had any answer. Then the teacher explained that metals like gold, silver and copper show the property of ductility. It is the property by which metals can be drawn into thin wires without breaking. Then the teacher asked the students to observe the electrical wires in a classroom that was close to the ground. She said that all electric wires are made up of copper. On the other hand, she explained that we cannot stretch non-metals like wood and coal into thin wires. And then she concluded by saying that non-metals are non-ductile in nature. While the teacher was explaining about the ductility property of metals, Ria had a question that was constantly bothering her. So she asked without hesitation, what will happen if we hammer a metal like aluminium? The teacher smiled and said that metals are hard and strong in nature compared to non-metals. Aluminium will turn into thin sheets without breaking or cracking, and we can also get it back to its original shape. This property of beating metals into thin sheets is known as malleability. With this, the teacher concluded that all metals are malleable in nature. It was the teacher's turn to ask, what will happen if we hammer a piece of coal? Ria replied instantly that coal will crumble into small pieces. Teacher praised her and added that non-metals like plastic and coal are non-malleable in nature. Just then, the bell rang and we had to rush to our classroom. Ria thinks that she should explore more about the properties of metals and non-metals. This was a fun session of learning during the break. See you and keep learning.